Welcome to my channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are doing well. This is Mohammed Saqib and we are learning Python programming language. In last lecture we learned about variables, and today continuing that lecture we are going to learn string methods. What is string, what are different methods of strings, how to implement them, and we will be practicing in today's lecture. So string methods that we are going to check today contain, some of them are replace method, join, split, reverse, how to convert to uppercase, lowercase. These are some methods that we are going to check today. So first of all, the important thing I'm going to tell you, when we are declaring a string, we need to check how to access values in their strings. Okay, so in Python we can check the values of string using braces, square brackets. Okay, using square brackets we can find the values of string using slicing. Okay, like that you can see that string methods, first of two of them are, you can say there are square brackets. What it means, we can access values of string using that square brackets. Let's check how it works. Today I have decided to practice side by side so you learn it better. Okay, first thing that we are going to check, that declaring string. Okay, and accessing that string using square brackets. How to access that string using square brackets, let's check it. Okay, what today we are going to learn is string methods. Okay, in Python we can write any comments by starting with hash. Okay, string methods. For example, I'm adding a comment. What do you mean by comment? Comments mean that a line of code that will not run. Compiler know that is for understanding of user. For example, I want to tell you that we're going to learn string methods. I write in front of it hash symbol. So for example, I am declaring a string. You can give it any name. X is equal to I love programming. Okay, I will try to continue to that example. So how to access it? First method is used to print. Okay, X. Okay, this will print complete string. Okay, this is printed I love programming. But what I am going to teach you today is usage of square bracket. These are square brackets. Okay, so there are different way to access. For example, I am writing X. After X you need to write that. Okay, whatever the square bracket must be with the variable name is X, then you need to write the square bracket. So if you need to access the complete string, what you will do, you can write colon. Okay, you can write colon between that brackets. Okay, you can see the output is same. Okay, so but if you want to access some substring, okay, for example, I love programming, you want to access only programming, or you want to access or you want to access love. Okay, you need to know that it is the index. Okay, index of the string start from 0. For example, I love programming, I have position 0. Okay, starting from 0, then a space at 1, then L is at 2, and similarly 0 at O is 3. So that indexing starts from 0 to the last letter, whatever it is. Okay, okay, if I want to print from, for example, I want to escape I and I want to print after that, what I will do, I will write 1 at start. Okay, so basically this is starting point and this is end point. Okay, between colon, at left side is the starting point, at right side is the ending point. Okay, so if I want to print the string from one point to another point, I need to tell starting point, then I need to tell them ending point. Okay, now I think you can understanding better. For example, I want to print love. What I will do, like that. For example, I will use brackets. Okay, and I will tell starting point is I is at 0, space is at 1, and L is the starting point and it has index 2. Okay, starting from 0 at L is at 2, we will put the colon is for the range. Okay, now I will tell ending point is L is at 2, O as 3, 4, 5. So ending point must be 6 because if you want to print E, then you must tell ending point index of E plus 1, okay, because this is the starting point and this is ending point minus 1, you must know, okay. If I will write 5, you will see result. 1 second, I will writing 5, and if I am running it, control enter, you can say LOV, but if I am writing 6, it will run and print loud, okay. Now I think that's clear to you. And another thing, if you want to print that string backward, that's also an important way. If you write double colon, okay, first colon is for start, second is for end, and after third, this is for you can say increment or decrement. For example, you writing let's see, I want to start from, if you want to start from 0, you write 0. You want to end at for example, you know its length, you can check the length of string using print. You can see length of x, you can check, okay. Length of x is 18, okay, so the length of our string is 18, so I can say, go to 18. But if I write 2, okay, 2 means that it will escape 2 characters. For example, first it will print I, then it will skip the space and will print L, then it will skip O and print V, okay. Let's check it by practical. You can see first of all it started from 0, okay, and it went with by skipping two characters, okay. So you can see that first of all it skipped I, it printed I and left the space, then L left the O, means that it's skipping one character. Another thing that I want to tell you, if you want to print that string in reverse side, that's very important and that's very beautiful. I really love that in Python programming. It's very easy than other programming languages. I want to print the reverse of the string. I know I can this is start, this is end, okay. You can skip them, you can just write -1 at the end, okay. This will print, you can see this is reverse order, this is printing string in the reverse order, okay. Now I hope you have learned of slicing the string. This concept is called slicing, means cutting down the string, cutting down, okay. First I told you the start and end, okay. This was the first method. I can tell you, for example, 2:5, it will print from starting from 2 ending to 5, okay. Then I told you with two columns mean that with increment or decrement or with steps, how many steps you want to go. For example, I want to start from 1, I want to go to 15, I want to go one by step, okay. So I will write 1, you can see, okay. But if I write 2, it will skip two characters. Let's check the output now, okay. I think that's clear to you.